Hello, first grade friends. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we are going to be doing something really fun with our writing. We are going to brainstorm some ideas about our favorite thing. And we're going to do this by drawing a picture about our favorite toy or of our favorite person or our favorite sport. So this is important so that we can become better writers. And one way to get your ideas down on a piece of paper is called brainstorming. And brainstorming is just simply thinking of ideas and just jotting a few things down just so you have something that you know you want to write about. So first of all, I want you to think about which one of these you would like to write about. You can write about your favorite toy, your favorite person, or your favorite sport. Excuse me. So you are going to think about which one of these you want to do your writing on. And we do want to remind parents that this is an assessment and to help your child as little as possible. We want to see what they can already do. So first, I'm going to draw a web. This is called a web. Let me show you what mine looks like. Okay, mine looks like a blank piece of paper. How about that? Okay, we have a blank piece of paper. In the middle, I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, so you can draw a circle just like I did. Now, do I want to write about my favorite toy, my favorite thing, my favorite sport, or my favorite person? Well, I think I'm going to write about my favorite person. And my favorite person, I'm going to say, is my mom. Yes, you can write about your mom also. But you are going to say different things about your mom than I'm going to say about my mom. Okay? So let me think about some things about my mom. I want to use as much detail as possible. Okay, so let's see. She loves to sew. So I'm going to draw a line from my person, my topic, to an idea I have about her. She loves to sew. She makes lots of things. She makes clothes, she makes curtains. She just loves to sew, sew, sew. Okay, so my mom also has 4 cats. That's a lot of cats. She has 4 cats. That's crazy, right? I don't know. I got 5 dogs, so there's that. But she has 4 cats. She loves her cats, and they just play and play and play. They keep her busy when she's sewing, right? Right. Okay, so my mom also, I know that when she goes to church, she wears hats. She wears hats a lot. Okay? So here are some ideas. She loves to sew. She has 4 cats. She wears hats. Let's see. Oh, she has green eyes like me. She has green eyes just like me. Or maybe I have green eyes just like her. All right, so there's my 4 ideas about my mom. You can do your mom, but I'm going to need you to pick some different ideas. You have to have at least 2, okay, boys and girls? Put 2 ideas about your mom, 2 things that you know about your mom or that you can tell us about your mom, okay? So this is my web. This is my brainstorming, my ideas. If you did your favorite sport, you're going to put your favorite sport here and then tell me why it's your favorite. If you did your favorite toy, you're going to write the name of the toy here. Why is it your favorite? What does it do? What does it look like? What does it sound like? Try to tell me as much about your toy or your sport or your person as possible, okay? As many details as you can think of makes your writing so much more interesting, okay? So now I have my web. This is my web, my brainstorm. I know I'm going to write about my mom. I know she's got 4 cats. She loves to sew. She's got green eyes. She wears hats. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture of my favorite person. Using my ideas that I wrote down on my web, I'm going to draw a picture of my favorite person, and my favorite person is my mom. So, I'm going to draw a picture of my mom. Let's see, remember I said she had green eyes, so I got to get those green eyes in there. But, you know, she also has a nose and eyelashes. I don't think she'd be too happy with those eyelashes. And she's got short, dark brown, curly hair. Oh, I'm pretty sure she has a mouth. Okay, so I'm going to give her a little smile. She's always happy. Let's see. She's going to be wearing a dress today. Just coloring a little dress for her. Does your drawing need to be fancy? No, it does not. Just try to make it look as much like your favorite person, your favorite toy, or your favorite sport as possible, okay? And then here she's got some shoes. And then I'm going to give her a hat. She's wearing a hat to church. She always has her fancy hat, right? All right, so then what else did I say about my mom? Oh, she has 4 cats. All right, I don't remember what they look like, so I'm just going to draw 4 little kitties. One, two. I guess that one's going to be a big one. Got eyes, a nose, whiskers, ears. Okay. And what do cats say? Meow. Purr. So this one's going to meow. Meow. Feed me. This one's going to purr. Okay. And these two are just like watching. They're just watching. Okay, so there's my mom. There's her 4 cats. And now, tomorrow, now that I've got my picture done, tomorrow I'll be ready to write my sentences about my mom. Okay? So this is what you're going to do today. You're going to draw a picture of your favorite person, your favorite sport, or your favorite toy. Okay? After you get some ideas written down on a web, like I did, brainstorm some ideas. Then you can draw a picture. And then tomorrow, we're going to write our sentences about our favorite person, sport, or toy. Okay, make sure you take a picture of your picture and turn it into your Google Classroom. Okay, let's review what we did today. So we talked about brainstorming. We came up with some ideas about our favorite person or sport or toy, and then we are going to draw a picture of them. or it. And take a picture and turn it in, and tomorrow we will write our sentences. Bye.